Judgment isn't the enemy. Hypocrisy. Jesus didn't say never make discernments. He said don't judge like a hypocrite. We've seen that the call to judge not in Matthew 7 is not a command to avoid accountability. It's a warning to avoid spiritual arrogance. It's not about silence. It's about self-awareness. Righteous judgment is possible, but it starts with removing the plank from our own eye. We've come to understand the different types of judgment. We explored the differences between righteous judgment, which is discerning with love and humility. We learned that hypocritical judgment is calling out others while ignoring our own faults. Superficial judgment is judgments by making assumptions based on appearances. Each one leads us in a different direction. Only one of them reflects Christ. Ask yourself, which type am I most prone to? How can I move toward righteous judgment even when it's uncomfortable? We learn the heart of accountability. We learn that righteous judgment is never about condemnation. It's about restoration. It's walking with someone, helping them grow, speaking truth, not with a megaphone, but with a mirror in hand and love in your voice. That requires more than boldness. It requires grace, mercy, and compassion. We saw the dangers of moral superiority, how pride blinds us, divides us, and ruins our witness. We also learned about the role of reflection, self-examination, and discernment. Before we speak, we need to pause and reflect and examine ourselves. Have I checked my heart? Do I understand this person's story? Is now the right time to say something, or should I be silent and pray instead? Self-reflection invites God to the conversation. It reminds us that before we represent Him to others, we must be honest with Him about ourselves. Righteously judging someone also means knowing when to speak and how to speak it. Jesus said, don't throw pearls to pigs, not out of judgment, but out of wisdom. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is wait until someone's heart is ready. Living this out daily. Here's how you can start applying this. Lead with humility. Ask God for wisdom before offering correction. Focus on people, not problems. Love louder than you judge. Offer truth, but season it with tears, grace, and patience. When we correct, let it be from a heart that's been broken by its own sin and restored by the love of Christ. When we speak, let it be like Jesus, full of grace and truth. And when we judge, let it not be to elevate ourselves, but to invite others into freedom. Final thought. Before judging others, remember the cross. It reminds us all first needed mercy. If this message challenged you or encouraged you, take a moment to reflect and share. Share with someone who needs it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, don't just live by default, live by design. God's design. Peace.